How to set the pricing of your product and service. The price of a product or service directly affects its sales and profitability. It is a good idea to review your prices when you introduce a new product or enter a new market. Cost of doing business changes. Competitors revise prices. Your product or service has been helping customers make more money. These are the factors to consider when setting a price. Know the cost. Price needs to be higher than total costs incurred for producing a product or service. Know your target market. Have a clear idea about the type of people who will buy your product or service. Know the product's worth. What specific value does your product or service offer? Know your competitors. Be well informed about what your competitors are offering and the prices they are charging. Leave yourself options. If you price your product too close to production cost, you will be unable to lower price to offer discounts and other promotions. Use of psychology when pricing. Pricing tactics designed to bring specific psychological responses to potential customers' mind are referred to as psychological pricing. Commonly used psychological pricing techniques are using numbers right. Actual numeric value of the price you set has a significant psychological effect on consumers. To appeal to value-conscious customers, use odd numbers instead of rounding the figures. Similarly, using the number 9 in your prices will improve sales compared to prices in whole numbers. For example, something priced at ₹19 is taken as better value for money than if it is priced ₹20 or even 18. Offering free products. Sometimes people prefer receiving something for free, instead of a discounted price. For example, buy one get one free is sometimes more suitable than offering 50% discount on each item. Similarly, fast food restaurants often offer combo deals which include one or more free food items. Influencing undecided buyers. Customers tend to look for bargains, especially when deciding between similar products or services with different prices. In such situations, giving a few options that provide different value to different customers helps. This is because whichever option gives them the highest value will seem like a smart choice. Similarly, people have a tendency to impulse buy discounted items, even if they otherwise would not have purchased them. Attracting class-conscious customers. Class-conscious buyers find expensive products or services more appealing. Hence they may actively seek high-priced, unique or customized products and services. This gives them assurance that they are getting quality and exclusivity. For example, paintings and works of art, saloons and spas, exclusive dresses and jewelry, etc. For more information, visit our website www.smeda.org.